Open spaces are great, but what do you do when you need to huddle?
Meet the Cisco WebEx RoomKit Mini, the powerful collaboration solution for your huddle spaces.
The RoomKit Mini lets you connect with your team over video and easily share your content in 4K resolution wired or wirelessly. With a 120-degree field of view, you can see everyone in the smallest rooms, which is perfect for teams of 2 to 5.
And it's priced right for every huddle budget.
Simplicity is key. The RoomKit Mini sits on top of the 4K screen of your choice, and assembly is a snap. So go ahead and deploy the Mini by the hundreds.
Conferencing is easy with WebEx Meetings or Teams, and Teams lets you keep working even after the meeting ends. And get this, if you need to connect with a VideoSoft client, just plug the Mini to your laptop via USB. Your IT team will also be happy because the RoomKit Mini can register to the cloud or on premises.
It's mini, but mighty, because it's part of the Cisco WebEx Room series and has all the powerful AI features of the portfolio.
The Mini greets you when you enter the room and automatically frames the people in the room. It also suppresses noise coming from the room, so you don't have to worry about interruptions during your meeting.
The Mini also counts people, so you get all the valuable analytics about how your huddle spaces are being used.
This is boardroom technology for your smallest spaces. Don't settle for less. Visit the Room Series website to learn more about the RoomKit Mini and follow us on social media for the latest news.